reported something on Facebook like post, profile, comment, and wondering what happened to your report? Did Facebook take action? Was it removed? Or did you receive any report or made any violations? I will show you the exact steps on the Android app. Super simple and the only official way. Let's see what Facebook has for you. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines, scroll all the way down, tap Help and Support. Then tap Support Inbox. It may say Support Inbox directly or be under See More. Here you will see two options. One, Report about others. Tap to see notifications about your reports. For example, we reviewed your report on that date, or we took action on the content you reported. Number two, your alerts. Tap to see if you violated any Facebook community standards. And now you can check the status of your Facebook reports or your violations on Android. If this helps you see what happened to that spammy post you reported, drop a like and subscribe for more Facebook guys.